any feature in Tally Prime, inventory feature. First option, maintain inventory. If there is an involvement of inventory as well as accounting in the business data, then it is necessary to enable the maintain inventory feature through which accounting and inventory can be processed simultaneously in the business. Next option, integrate accounts with inventory. The integrate accounts with inventory feature is used to integrate accounting and inventory balances into business data. If this feature is deactivated, then in that case, inventory transactions can be done in Tally data, but closing balances of inventory are not included in the financial report. Example, if the closing balance of a product is Rs 10,000, which can be seen in the stock summary report, but this balance is not included in the profit and loss statement and balance sheet report. Generally, in business, accounting and inventory balances are integrated, but if in a business it is set to no, then in such case, the inventory values can be manually added to the financial statement through stock in hand ledger. Enable multiple price level. Price level means setting the price of the product multiple price levels, that is, setting multiple prices for the same product. Generally, a business may set the price of a product differently for different types of customers. For example, a manufacturing company may set a selling rate of a product separately for wholesaler, retailer, and consumer. If multiple selling rates of inventory are to be set in the business, then the multiple price level feature can be used. Through this feature, apart from setting multiple prices of the product, we can also categorize the type of buyers separately. Next, enable batches. Business industries deal in various types of inventory, in which some products are long-lasting while some products expire with time. In such cases, many inventories are produced in batches or lots, where the batch details of the production are mentioned, and in many cases, the batch number as well as the production date and expiry date are mentioned. To effectively manage such inventory, the batch-wise feature in Tally Prime is used. Enable job order processing. Accepting a job or assigning a job work to a third party. It is commonly referred as job work in or job work out. In job order cycle process, right from booking of orders to delivery of final products can be easily managed in Tally Prime through job order processing feature. Next, enable cost tracking. Item cost tracking makes it easy to calculate expenses and revenue for a particular quantity of a product through accounting and inventory transactions. Generally, this feature is not used in every business industry. But if there is a requirement of the business, then the expenses and revenue can be tracked by making this feature active. Enable job costing. The job costing feature can be used to track the profitability of any type of job or project. Through job costing, expenses incurred in the product such as purchase of materials, direct and indirect expenses, revenue earned, and profit generated from the project, all this information can be easily managed in Tally Prime. use discount column in invoices. The use of discounts in the accounting process is common in every business industry. To display the discount value in a separate column in a business transaction in Tally Prime, we can use a feature like use discount column in invoices. Use separate actual and billed quantity. The actual and billed quantity concept is used in many business industries where stock delivered to buyer is different from stock billed. For example, buy one get one offer. In this offer, two quantities are delivered to the buyer but only one quantity is billed. To manage such transactions in Tally Prime, use separate and actual billed quantity feature is used. Company feature in Tally Prime, taxation and other features. Next feature, taxation. Along with accounting and inventory, various taxes are also applicable in business transactions. Taxes like GST, TDS, TCS. However, all types of taxes are not applicable to every business. In Tally Prime, multiple applicable taxes can be activated as per the applicability in the business data. First option as Enable Goods and Services Tax, that is GST. GST was implemented in India as a new type of indirect tax from 1st July 2017, which covers almost every business industry. If the business is GST compliant registered in it, then to manage it in Tally data, Goods and Services Tax feature has to be activated. And along with this, the GST compliance details of the business have to be updated by activating Set Alter Company GST rates and other details. Enable tax deducted at source. If it is the liability of the business to deduct TDS on business expenses, then in such case, tax deducted at source feature must be activated in Tally data so that TDS related compliances can be effectively managed in the data. Next, enable tax collected at source, TCS. Similar to TDS, if it is the liability of the business to collect TCS on the business income, then in such case, the TCS feature needs to be activated in the Tally data. The applicability of TDS and TCS compliance is as per the income tax rules in the business. Other taxes. In Tally Prime, apart from GST, TDS and TCS, the option of other taxes is available such as excise duty, service tax, VAT, etc. All these taxes are not applicable to every business after GST introduction. These are used in limited business industry type only. Given options such as VAT, excise and service tax in the Tally data as per the required information. The online access feature shows the technical capabilities in Tally Prime such as online access, online reporting, etc. First option, enable browse access for reports. Browse access feature is the latest feature of Tally Prime through which data reports can be easily accessed from any location with some configuration. Next option, enable Tally.net services for remote access and synchronization. Tally.net feature supports various technical features in Tally Prime. For example, to access Tally data remotely, We can configure remote access through Tally.net feature. Also, we can synchronize data through Tally.net to transfer data online. Payroll. Maintain payroll. In Tally data, employee salaries can be maintained through accounting, inventory, and taxation features as well as payroll features. In Tally Prime, payroll statutory feature along with applicable taxes in payroll can also be easily maintained. Other features enable multiple addresses. If the business has more than one location, then multiple location addresses of the business can be updated through this feature. For example, location A as primary address and location B as secondary address. Mark modified vouchers. While ensuring compliance through mark modified vouchers in Tally data, list of modified vouchers can be maintained. Overall, many business features like accounting, inventory, taxation, online access, payroll feature are available in Tally Prime. According to the business requirements, any feature can be enabled or disabled.